First, PM Modi departs from Guyana's Georgetown for Delhi. PM Modi began his tour with a visit to Nigeria, and in Brazil, he participated in 19 G20 summit. On the third and last leg of his tour, the PM made a state visit to Guyana, the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to the South American country in over 50 years. In Guyana, the PM co-chaired the second India CARICOM summit. That is right. So remember, PM Modi was on a three-nation tour. First stop Nigeria, then the G20 summit in Brazil, and then PM Modi was in Guyana, and now he's back to New Delhi. He has departed for New Delhi. Remember, viewers, that this is a very, very successful trip where the Prime Minister had also was conferred some high awards and honored by a couple of countries as he was on that tour to different continents, and Nigeria, Brazil, Guyana, and also he had a very, very important and fruitful discussions with the Caribbean nations. So right now, the Prime Minister is on his way back to New Delhi. Remember that at the G20 summit, the G20 summit declaration was adopted by the countries, and the main focus of that was eradicating hunger and poverty. And Prime Minister Modi addressed a special session of the Guyanese Parliament during his visit there. The Prime Minister shared his mantra of democracy first and humanity first. This was the 14th such instance when PM Modi spoke on the behalf of the people of India and the parliaments of foreign nations. Take a look at this report for more.
During his visit to Guyana, Prime Minister Modi addressed the country's parliament. The Prime Minister said India and Guyana's ties are made of soil, sweat and diligence.
साथियों, भारत और गयाना का नाता बहुत गहरा है। ये रिश्ता मिट्टी का है, पसीने का है, परिश्रम का है, दुख में, सुख में, कोई भी परिस्थिति हो, भारत और गयाना का रिश्ता आत्मीयता से भरा रहा है.
He also shared his mantra of democracy first and humanity first in the Guyanese parliament.
Democracy first, humanity first. डेमोक्रेसी फर्स्ट की भावना हमें सिखाती है कि सबको साथ लेकर चलो, सबको साथ लेकर सबके विकास में सहभागी बनो. ह्यूमैनिटी फर्स्ट की भावना हमारे निर्णयों की दिशा तय करती है.
Prime Minister Modi also took the opportunity to thank Guyana for conferring him with its top honor.
आप सबके बीच आने का सौभाग्य मिला, इसके लिए मैं आप सबका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए अपनी बात समाप्त करता हूं. मैं आप सभी को भारत आने के लिए भी निमंत्रित करूंगा. मुझे गयाना के ज्यादा से ज्यादा जनप्रतिनिधियों का भारत में स्वागत करते हुए खुशी होगी. मैं एक बार फिर गयाना की संसद का, आप सभी जनप्रतिनिधियों का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
PM Modi visited Guyana as part of his three-nation tour. He visited Brazil and Nigeria before coming to Guyana. The visit holds significance as this was the first time in 50 years that an Indian Prime Minister visited Guyana. This was also the 14th such instance when PM Modi addressed the parliament of a foreign nation. He also holds the distinction of being the first Indian Prime Minister with the highest number of addresses to foreign parliaments.
And we want to move ahead right now to Maharashtra, where